Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you're shopping for a pillow because your neck feels like it's held together with duct tape, you've probably seen the Geluna Ergo butterfly pillow all over your feed. But is it actually as good as the ads claim? Or is it just another overhyped product with a flashy name? First off, the design is pretty unique. This pillow has a butterfly shape and memory foam that's supposed to cradle your head and keep your spine in line while you sleep. For side and back sleepers, some users say it's been a total game changer. They report waking up with way less neck and shoulder pain, and some even ditch their old pillows for good. But here's the thing, reviews are all over the place. Some folks find it too firm, or say it just doesn't fit their body type. If you're a stomach sleeper, this pillow might actually make you feel like you're sinking into a pile of rocks. Now, let's talk about the not-so-great stuff. The marketing, it's aggressive. Think pop-ups and countdowns pressuring you to buy. Some shoppers say they had trouble with the website, accidentally added extras to their cart, or had a hard time getting a refund. Shipping delays and customer service complaints keep popping up too. Plus, beware. Because of the hype, there are fake versions floating around. If you're going to try it, make sure you order from the official site. So, legit product? Yes, for a lot of people. But is it a miracle pillow? That depends on your sleep style and your patience with customer service. I'd say, do your research, check the return policy, and listen to your body. Sleep is too important to gamble on.